Fire some limits based on graphs. First of all, the limit of the red graph at the top, we're calling that one f of x for now. We want to know the limit as x approaches 1. So for this limit to exist, tracing in from the left-hand side and the right-hand side have to meet up at the exact same y value. Now that point doesn't necessarily have to be there for this limit to exist, but this one happens to be, so this is going to be at 2 for a y value. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at as x approaches 2. So as x approaches 2, approach from the left side, the right-hand side. It looks like those are going to meet up even though the point's not there. That's going to have a limit of 1 for a y value. Next, let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 3. Now on the left-hand side, it looks like we're getting close to -1 for a y value. The right-hand side, we're getting close to +2. So in this case, we can say this does not exist. All right, finally, let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 4. So as we approach 4 from the left side, looks like we get close to 1. 4 from the right side, looks like we get close to 1. Therefore, that limit's going to be at 1. All right, down to the blue graph at the bottom. Let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 1. From the left side, looks like we get close to 1. From the right side, a y value of 1 as well. Even though that point's not there, that's not necessary for this limit to exist. That limit is going to be at 1. Okay, next, let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 2. Left side, looks like we get close to 1 for a y value. Right side doesn't meet up. It looks like we're getting close to 2. Therefore, this one does not exist. What about 3? Well, at 3, left-hand side, looks like we get close to a y value of 2. Right-hand limit, so we get close to an x value of 3. It looks like our y value gets close to 2. Now that point's not on the graph. The point's actually down below at 3, 1, but that doesn't matter for our limits. We're just looking at what we're getting close to for values very close to 3. And then one more here. Let's take a look at our x value of 4 as we approach 4. Coming from the left-hand side, looks like we're getting close to a y value of 0. Right-hand side, y value of 0. Therefore, this is at 0. Hope this helps out. Good luck.